Here's a fun way to make a monogram keychain. You know, pretty much everything is available on Amazon, including these little metal keychain cables, and why not use them for a project? So of course we had to use an S for my wife's first name of Sarah. Plus, it's just a satisfying letter, in my opinion. So we cut out an S monogram on our Cricut machine, took off the transfer paper, and filled in the design with our Scorch Marker. I love the way she colors this in. For some reason, it's just oddly satisfying. Once the design has dried a little bit, we take away the stencil and grab our heat gun. Then we just start applying heat. You want to apply it hot and fast. Gradual circular movements really help to avoid any darkening of the wood around the S. Wow, look at that. It just pops right up. I love the way that it looks. It's beautiful and the contrast is striking. Maybe that's what the S stands for. Let's drill a hole using our cordless drill, large enough for the cable to fit through. We're going to unscrew it, stick it right through that little hole, and I think that's it. Really, all you need is a way to attach this to something meaningful, whether it's a Christmas tree, a backpack, a toy, decorations. The world is your oyster, man. You're the crafter, and we would love to see what you do. Happy crafting.